more. Two more maybe. One more. Alright, we're all set. I know. How about you tell him the words, okay?
Fire trucks are pretty cool. Okay.
Okay, Tyler. Tell Derek pancake. Tell him cowboy. Tell him hot dog. Tell him cupcake.
What about fire truck?
Tell him snowman. Hot dog.
Hot dog again.
Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Cowboy. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Snowman. Hot dog.
Hot dog.
Cowboy. Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Hot dog.
Yummy. Hot dog.
Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Ice cream. Cupcake. Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Cupcake.
Cowboy.
Snowman.
Snowman.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Cowboy. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Cupcake.
Ice cream.
Cupcake.
Cupcake.
Good job. You can tell him you're all done.